Okay, big tuna, yellow fin tuna, big one, fresh from the farm. This fresh from the deep sea, big one. Oh my gosh! Our friend went fishing. They have a boat, so they share us two fish, pink tuna and mahi mahi. Oh, good job. Okay, so we're gonna butcher it. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna fillet it. Okay, have a nice day, everyone. I wanna enjoy my fish, big one. I already cut the mahi mahi because I couldn't wait. I had to bake and you know air fry it, and I cook in an unan as well. Okay, have a nice day. Good luck, everyone, and God bless. Stay safe out there. Bye.